3 different screens, 3 different reasons to hit record. A skincare brand needed an ad that wouldn't get scrolled past. So the brief was simple, a first-person UGC-style ad, shot like it was filmed on someone's phone in their bathroom, product reveal at the end. Flova built it start to finish, voice and all. A growing YouTube channel needed a 10-second intro that felt expensive without an expensive budget. The brief was a logo reveal with energetic motion in the channel's brand colors. Out came something that looks like it cost a design agency real money. And that voice, that camera shake, that water spray hitting the lens at exactly the right moment. A 60-second nautical short that looks like a $50,000 film crew shot it. That one's coming up in full, step-by-step, later in this video. None of these had a crew. None of them had a camera. Each one started the same way. One sentence typed into an AI agent named Flova, and it built the entire thing. This is what one sentence, one platform actually means. Whatever you're making, an ad, an intro, or a drama, you're not bouncing between different AI sites, stitching together image generators, video tools, voice cloning, and editing software by hand. One conversation, one platform, finished content. And before we go further, links in the description. Sign up and you get 200 free credits instantly, plus another 200 every week just for logging back in. Let's get into how this actually works, starting with why it works for so many different kinds of content in the first place. Flova works differently. You just tell it what you're making and why, the same way you'd brief a co-director. You could type, I need a scroll-stopping UGC ad for a skincare brand, first person, looks unscripted, and that becomes the brief. If you get stuck, you don't close the tab and go search Pinterest. You ask Flova directly, give me 3 different hooks for this. Or, what if it opened with the product already in her hand? It runs the trial and error behind the scenes, so the messy technical part stays invisible, and you only deal with the creative decisions. Different content needs different tools, and that's the part most people don't expect. Flova isn't running one single model and hoping it's good enough for everything. It's plugged into the industry's best. Image models like Nano Banana, GPT, Image 2, Midjourney, and Flux. Video models like Sora 2 Pro, Veo 3.1, Vidu Q3 Pro, and Seedance 2.0. Music through Suno, voice through 11 Labs, and OmniHuman 1.5, all sitting inside one library you can mix and match. To show you exactly how this plays out start to finish, let's follow one real production. A creator building a short drama episode for a YouTube channel built around survival at sea stories, the kind of serialized content that keeps an audience coming back week to week. In the chat box, she typed a single line, a 60-second nautical adventure short, gritty, and weathered in tone, centered on a lone ship captain facing a storm at sea. She deliberately steered away from the typical glossy cinematic look. That phrase gets thrown around so much that audiences are tired of seeing the same polished, generic result. Instead, she asked for a grainier, more textured film feel, something that matched the channel's existing visual identity. Once she hit enter, Flova didn't just start generating blindly. It asked a short series of questions first, confirming the aspect ratio, the intended platform, the performance tone for the captain, and the mood for the sound design. She kept some answers default and changed others, like swapping the suggested triumphant score for something more tense and minimal to match the channel's tone. Within moments, Flova had compiled every answer into a full creative brief, and from there it automatically planned out the production path, script first, then storyboard, then the visual generation plan. While that was processing, the script appeared on screen complete with dialogue lines and scene-by-scene descriptions. Right alongside it, the storyboard was taking shape, panel by panel. What stood out here is how much control you actually retain. The AI's storyboard isn't a locked suggestion. You can rewrite any line yourself, drag in your own reference images, resize panels, or hide the ones you don't need, so your workspace only shows what you actually want to look at. Before any pixels get generated, Flova lays out its plan. It selected GPT Image 2 to build the initial frames and Seedance 2.0 to animate them, based on the grainy, weathered tone requested earlier, the look this particular channel needed. If that pairing doesn't match what you had in mind, you're free to swap either piece out for a different model from the library at any point. Nano Banana, Midjourney, Flux, Sora 2 Pro, VO 3.1, or Vidu Q3 Pro are all sitting right there as alternatives. Then comes a choice that shapes the whole experience. Run the production start to finish automatically, or pause at major checkpoints to review and approve before continuing. She chose checkpoints because for a recurring channel series, consistency matters enough to want eyes on every stage. But autopilot exists for anyone who'd rather start the process and walk away. First up, character generation. Flova produces a full character sheet for the captain. Weathered coat, salt-worn boots, a face that's clearly spent decades at sea, generated through GPT Image 2. If something's slightly off, there's a quick reply option sitting right beside the character art. For deeper changes, the edit panel lets you swap the underlying generation model entirely. Say, over to Nano Banana, Midjourney, or Flux, or rewrite the prompt by hand before regenerating. Once the design felt right, she simply replied, "Continue," and Flova moved to the next stage on its own. Now Flova breaks the full script into individual shots and generates the opening frame for each one. When the batch finished, she scrolled through every scene side by side. The captain's face, his coat, even the wear pattern on his boots stayed identical from the calm opening shot all the way through the storm climax. Exactly the kind of consistency a serialized channel needs if this captain is going to show up again in next week's episode. That kind of consistency used to require a dedicated VFX team. Here, it just happened as part of the pipeline. With every shot locked in as a still frame, it's time to animate. Flova offered the option to animate scenes individually or all at once. She chose all at once to save time. A few minutes later, the first animated clip was ready, brought to life through Seedance 2.0.
She's building out there. I can feel her.
The mouth movement lined up with the audio almost perfectly, and the camera shake synced naturally with the line's urgency. No warping, no jittering between frames. Just clean, continuous movement. Visuals were locked. She asked Flova to merge everything into one sequence, and it dropped her straight into a full timeline editor. This is where the fine-tuning happens.
She's building out there. I can feel her. Not tonight. I promised I'd come back.
I've sailed 30 years! You don't get to take me!
Not today.
From here, you can trim shots, retime cuts, swap a music bed, or send any single shot back for regeneration without ever leaving the platform. When you're happy with the cut, export is one click away, straight to MP4. Or as a full project file you can open in Premiere Pro or Final Cut for an extra editing pass. Chapters 4 through 11 followed one production from sentence to finished cut, but the same process is exactly what built the other two pieces from the opening of this video. Here's a closer look at how each of those actually came together. The skincare UGC ad started with a brief built around feeling unscripted. First person, shot like it was filmed on someone's phone in their bathroom. Product reveal at the end. Flova asked a few quick clarifying questions. Platform, length, whether the voice should sound scripted or off the cuff, then got to work.
Wait, stop scrolling. If your skin looks dull, you need to see this. I've been using Glow Drop for just 7 days, and look at this glow. This vitamin C serum actually works. Run, don't walk.
It generated an on-camera presenter, handheld movement, natural bathroom lighting, and a casual, unrehearsed-sounding voiceover script. OmniHuman 1.5 and 11 Labs handled the face and voice performance, syncing the lips line by line. What came out the other side didn't look generated. It looked like something a real customer filmed and posted, which was the entire point of the brief. The YouTube intro came from a different need entirely, 10 seconds that felt expensive without an expensive budget. The creator gave Flova the channel's brand colors and described the energy she wanted: fast, punchy, a little playful. Flova built the logo animation using its image and motion models, generated a few quick variations to choose between, and added a short musical sting through Suno, timed to land exactly as the logo locked into place. From sentence to finished intro took minutes, not a design agency invoice. Two very different briefs, two completely different outputs, built for two completely different purposes, and yet one workflow underneath both of them. The same workflow that just built the 60-second nautical short you watched come together step by step. If you priced out separate subscriptions for image generation, video generation, voice cloning, music, and an editor, you'd likely be paying well past $100 a month, and still spending hours just moving files between platforms, whether you're producing ads, intros, or drama content. Flova folds all of that into one $19 a month plan. Every major model: Nano Banana, GPT Image 2, Midjourney, Flux, Sora 2 Pro, VO 3.1, VidoQ 3 Pro, Seedance 2.0, Suno, 11 Labs, and OmniHuman 1.5, a creative agent that thinks with you, and a complete editing suite, all under one roof. There's one more piece worth knowing about: skills. Every creator settles into their own habits: a favorite model pairing for UGC ads, a signature color grade for a drama series, a particular pacing style for intros. Instead of resetting all of that manually on every new project, you save it once as a skill and apply it in a single click going forward. Flova's library already includes skills built by professional creators, so even on your very first project, whatever type of content it is, you can borrow a workflow that took someone else years to refine. And as you keep creating, your own skills library grows too, making it dramatically faster to produce a series, a sequel, or a consistent channel look over time. One sentence built that short drama episode: script, characters, motion, voice, score, and the final edit, without leaving a single platform. The next sentence could build a UGC ad or a channel intro just as easily. You just watched both of those come together too. The link's in the description below. Sign up and claim your 200 free credits right away, plus another 200 every week you log back in. There's also a referral program where you can earn up to $20 in bonus credits just by sharing your link. Go write your one sentence. Let Flova handle everything after it.